My name is Mark Hullinger and I work for Williams Gas Pipeline. I want to invite you to the SGA GMRC EAR. Now I know that's a lot of acronyms. It stands for Southern Gas Association, Gas Machinery Research Council, and Engine Analyzer and Reliability Workshop. It's on August 11th through 12th, and it's going to be virtual, which means you can watch this in your pajamas. I have a topic that I'm going to be presenting called Earthquake Assessments Near Compressor Stations, where I take a typical vibration sensor like this and we analyze and evaluate the damage we thought we were going to find during a series of earthquakes in Idaho near one of our compressor stations. I also have another topic that I'm presenting called Auto Balance Installations Lessons Learned. There are going to be many other presentations from many other very qualified industry professionals. If you look this up on your search engine and follow the links, and I think it will be time very well spent. Hope to see you there.